8 Lessons from How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Lesson number 1. While dealing with people, remember that you are not dealing with creature of logic, but with creature of emotions who are motivated by pride and ego. Lesson number 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. We all want to feel important and appreciated. Make someone else feel this way, and they will love you for it. Lesson number 3. Arouse in the other person an eager want. Just as we are interested in what is important to us, others are interested in what is important to them. Lesson number 4. Talk in terms of the other person's interest. Focus on what the other person is interested in and talk about it first. Talk to people about their interest, and they will feel valued and important. They will enjoy the conversation. Lesson number 5. Remember names. Your name is a large part of what makes you unique and set you apart from others. Remembering other people's name will make them feel noticed and remembered. Lesson number 6. Become genuinely interested in other people. You can make more friends in 2 months by being interested in them than in 2 years by making them interested in you. Lesson number 7. Avoid argument. There is no way to win an argument. So don't argue. If you feel as if you have won because the other person accepted your point of view, you have still lost over the long term. Thank you so much. Keep hustling. Signing off, Reader's Diary.